Well, hello. Welcome to day 4 of my 1 month challenge of trading to retire to see if I can earn enough in 1 month to make me believe that I can retire from my corporate career. So let's jump right in. So, as I mentioned, I believe thoughts turn into actions and actions turn into results. So, the thought I started with today is that I am grateful for peace and prosperity in my life. And here are the actions I took today. So, really, three trades. The first one was with MYM, and I earned a profit of $388.50. And the second one was the SPY, and I earned, mm, you can't see the profit there, but I bought it at 357 and sold it at 437. So 10 contracts of that. And then the last one was this CGC. Actually, I think I bought CGC a month ago. Yeah, on March 28th. So a few days ago. And then closed it out today. I bought it at $1.05 and closed it out today at $1.38. So that um, trade was that. Now, all of these trades I could have made more money on if I had just stayed in them longer. But based on what I was seeing, set a stop loss that, earned the results that I got here. And I'll talk about that a little bit at the end of this. So, where does that leave me for the week? It leaves me with the $354 plus the $317 plus the $787. And these are the profit with my estimations of all the commissions and fees that I can find taken out. And that brings me up to $5,462.41 for the week. So, not bad so far. What were my learnings? So my learning today is to trust the charts, not my gut. Like I may write this and put this like on a sticky note on my computer because this is so impactful for me. And I'll talk about a trade that went well when I was trusting the charts and a trade that where I didn't make money also. But my gut has nothing to do with the market, and the market has nothing to do with my gut. So I need to just leave my gut out of trading altogether, is what I'm learning. I mean, the market, the way I trade is I need to take what the market is giving. I'm not making trades that are big enough and probably never will that would move the market, right? So I need to just do what the market is doing and not trust my gut. So I made one example, which was earlier this morning, and I drew on here some different levels I thought, that CGC could go to. And when I close it out, I end up closing it out at this line. Obviously, if I closed it here, I would have made money. If I kept it here, it almost got there. You can't see well on this chart, but it didn't make it all the way to there. I think it was off by 1 penny um, from where this line is drawn. And so I just, you know, this was like I had this battle in my mind around like, oh, you only made $300, as if 300 and something dollars isn't, good money. And I could have made more here, more there, and talking that through, thinking that through with myself. Why, what difference does it make? I don't need to capture every penny of profit that's out there. Um, I just need to capture profit, and enough profits will get me to my goal. And if I reduce my risk of losses, then it'll, get me closer to my goal quicker. And so the other one I want to talk about, I don't have the chart here, but at the end of the session today, the entire market was going down. And so, I was looking at SPY and thinking, hey, I could take another trade. And I talked about this yesterday, like not taking trades towards the end of the day. But I did, and I took a trade based on my gut thinking that the market was going to reverse. And it did not enough for me to be in profit. And so I am so serious about not trusting my gut any longer. I just know that this is something I need to build into a habit so that I don't make silly decisions like I did today. So we'll see tomorrow or whenever. Right now, I left that trade open in the negative. We'll see if I end up closing it out for a loss or letting it ride and maybe it'll come back into the profit. I haven't decided yet. I need to gauge that. All right. Well, thanks for watching. This has been great accountability for myself. I feel like I'm on track, and I will see you all tomorrow.